You've got your Instant Pot and you just want to cook a batch of rice. This video will show you exactly how to do that. Hi everybody, I'm Carrie and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share real food recipes that make you feel great. So today I have another video in my Instant Pot Basics series, and I will link to that playlist. But today's video is all about making basmati rice. And basmati rice is a white rice that's a little bit sticky when it's cooked, and it goes perfectly with most main dish meals. So I think you're really gonna love how easy this recipe is. It's perfect for Instant Pot beginners. So let me show you exactly how to make it. The first step of this recipe is to grab a bag of white basmati rice or jasmine rice. And we don't want to use brown rice for this recipe, but any kind of a long grain white rice is perfect. Now measure out 1 cup of your rice and pour it into a fine mesh colander and give it a quick rinse. Next, add your rice to the base of a 3-quart or a 6-quart Instant Pot. And then we need to add 1 cup of filtered water, because the ratio of rice to water is 1:1. And then we're going to put the pot into the Instant Pot, lock on the lid, and set your time to 6 minutes at high pressure. And 6 minutes is the absolute perfect amount of time for cooking white rice. It's going to be super fluffy and delicious. So once the cooking time is complete, let the pressure come down naturally for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then use the quick release to get rid of any remaining pressure. Carefully remove the lid and then just use a spatula to fluff up the rice and serve it hot. Or you can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week, or you can actually freeze cooked rice for up to 2 months. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in the next one.